Kandy. Welcome back to my channel, and it's Vlogmas Day 12. We're in the living room. I might actually need to put you guys up a little bit. Okay, you can see me and the table now. The reason I want you to see the table is we're gonna do an Oreo cookie train. Now, I usually like to do this kind of thing with my nephews, but because I work weekends, I don't have a lot of time to see them, which is sad. But I talked to them on Friday, and I talked to Logan this morning, so you know, they know I'm here. They know I love them. All right. So in the kit, we have the cookie train cookies, some Oreo minis for decoration, some full-size Oreos, gumdrops, candy balls, red and green frosting, and white frosting, along with the easy build tray, which I love. The gingerbread kits come with this now. So 8 easy steps. Icing pouch preparation. Knead the icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes, bringing the ice to room temperature and making it more adhesive. Start the flow of icing, remove the cap, and snip the tip. I'm gonna need scissors. I'll be right back. You guys tell me if the cats get into stuff. Such good babies! Stayed where you were meant to be. I don't know if you guys can see Athena, but she was on this side of the couch, and Harriet is right here. All right. Arrange the pieces for assembly. Your train kit includes cookie pieces to build 2 cars and an engine. Separate the train pieces by gently breaking along the snap lines, and then you build the engine. Okay. So, let's open up the cookie parts. Hopefully we have no broken pieces. I see a nice crack in that one, but I don't think it's broken. So we've got 2 sets of these, which need broken. And this piece. Do I break that part off? Oh. I think so. Just 2 of those. Probably shouldn't put them on that tray because we're gonna need to use that tray. Duh. Gonna have to clean up lots of cookie crumbs. It's okay, that's what the holidays are about, right? Sorry if I sniffle, I've got still a little bit of a stuffy nose. All right, there we go. Line the cavity for the engine with icing. I assume this one's going to be the engine. Place a dot of icing on the center of 2 Oreo cookies. Sandwich 3 cookies together and place in the easy build tray. So it looks like building towards me. Take the lid off and snip. You gonna come out, buddy? Is that too small of a hole? We need a bigger one? Maybe it was just hard up there. Okay, so this piece is the front of the engine. I'll try to build it towards you guys. So I was supposed to go shopping today with Brittany, my friend Brenda, and my sister. And Brittany got sick last night, so she texted me and canceled. And then I thought, I really don't need anything. I do want to spend time with like my friends, but I'm also really, really tired. Like, not feeling like going out, you know? So I also canceled. And I'm going to spend today recouping and relaxing and making a gingerbread. Or an Oreo cookie house. Oreo cookie train. Good gosh. Okay, so I'm going to put some down here. And stick in the tray. Do I use all 4? There we go. I've got some on me from, oh, there's a hole in my bag. Crap. Okay. Well, we'll have to deal with it. All right, so these pieces are going to go here. And then a piece on top, which I believe is this. Yeah, okay. Ah, go over there. Definitely a hole in my bag. That's fine. It is what it is. I'm just going to use my finger. Try to get it on the edge of these pieces. I don't have an engineering degree, like, what? Okay, let's hold that there. Put some icing. Oh, crap. I tried to hold too much. It's okay, we're gonna figure this out. While Athena plays us a song on her swinging balls. I'm gonna be sick by the end of this. From all the icing. Okay, that is now standing. So the 2 round wheels go on the side of this cabin for the Alright guys, sorry about that. Spoke to my sister for about 15 minutes. So I've got the front of my train all done. I've just got one more piece for the back. And I've got my cars laid out. There. So my engine's done. So my cars have 2 ends and 2 sides. I'm gonna go ahead and get those going. Oops, my fat hand touched the engine. Okay, so I've got the bottom of the tray filled so that I can get these pieces in here. Oops. Should probably do the sides of these. Still got a puncture, so we're still working with that. What the? You all right? Like, what's wrong with you? You being weird? All right, so there's one car. Let's do the other one. This is an absolute mess of a piping bag. Okay, do you hear a weird noise? Like, what's going on with you? You're acting stranger than usual. You're always strange, but... Okay. And then the side here, the side here. This is not going well. I would have an excuse if my nephews were here for it being a mess, but nope, it's just me. Just Hot Mess Express Candy. All right, there is my second train car. Looks like they put, well, I broke this Oreo, so I am gonna put some frosting on this, put it on the front of one of my cars. Let's put it on the front of this one where you can see it a little better. And then these pieces are gifts to put inside. So we're basically down to decorating. Oh no. I'm supposed to use the mini Oreos as more wheels. Okay, so they put 4 on each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Go ahead and gross. I'm just gonna put a dot of icing on each one. Oh. Be helpful if they stayed together, right? The side holes coming in handy for these. I have Oreo all over me. Like there's no way I'm not having chocolate and icing all over me right now. Okay. So each little train car is gonna get 2 wheels on each side. And then the front of the train gets 2 wheels on each side. Okay, there's only room for 1. So 1 wheel. All right. So let's get decorating these gifts. We're just gonna, okay, hold on. This is dirty. Plus we have colors. What am I doing? All right. So I've done simple little things on top. Now we're gonna decorate with the candies and stuff. On this red one, I'm gonna put some yellow balls. I actually think that looks cool. So for the little tree that I did, I'm going to put a yellow one on top. And then some red balls on the tree. Yay! I'm going to put a green one in the middle of this ribbon. And then I'm going to do a little dot in each corner. Put another ball on each corner. Let's do blue ones. Blue balls. Just realized you guys really can't see what I'm doing. There's where I'm at so far. I see on the front of this a really fun looking bow idea. So I'm gonna take some gumdrops and try to recreate that. So it looks like they cut a gumdrop in half. That goes like this. Then they take the nub off of one and put it in the middle. And they take the bottom and kind of squeeze it out a little bit. To make a bow. It kind of looks like a bow. I didn't say it was fancy. Let's try another one. So we're gonna cut this one in half. And I'm gonna flatten it a little bit. Stretch it. I'm going to take the nub. Squash it onto the middle. Maybe I just take a little bit of the side. No, that didn't work. Hold on. We're still okay. Let's take a little more there. Okay, I think that worked. I'm gonna put it straight on this gift. Do you see what I did there? That's cute as heck. I like it. All right, let's put these aside to dry a little bit. So last night I was watching Dash and Lily on Netflix. I don't know if you guys have watched that at all. Super cute Christmassy story. Yes, it's teenagers, but I think it was done really good. It's like 6 or 8 episodes. Super cute. I enjoyed. 10 out of 10. Will watch again. Put a purple one right in the middle. And let's do some on here. Okay. Well, it's helping itself. Everything's fine. For real. Everything's fine. Nothing is perfect. Ever. Who decides what perfect is anyway, right? Because what's perfect for me isn't perfect for you. So, perfect doesn't really mean shit, really. Perfect doesn't mean shit. So as I was talking to my sister, she was telling me a story about Landon, the middle child. And apparently he had lost a tooth and the tooth fairy forgot to bring him money. And she told him it was because, well, he didn't put the tooth in the proper place, so she didn't know, she couldn't find it. And so the next day he put it in the proper place and the tooth fairy brought him his fairy dollar, which is basically a dollar covered in glitter that my sister makes because she's, you know, crafty AF. And, oh crap, I only have 5 more of those. Oh well. And so he came to her later and he was like, that tooth that I put out, that was really white, right? And he's like, yeah, it was a nice healthy tooth. And he goes, well, Dad told me a long time ago that the healthy teeth bring more money from the tooth fairy, and I think it was worth more than $1. And she was like, well, I don't know why your dad told you that, but that's not true. So what must have happened is he probably didn't want to brush his teeth one day, and my brother-in-law was like, listen, if you brush your teeth and, you know, have healthy teeth, the tooth fairy will bring you a lot of money for your teeth. God dang it. And so he expected like $50 from a tooth, and my sister was like, no, that's not how that works. Tooth Fairy ain't got that kind of cash, kid. Okay, I think as far as regular decoration goes, that's where we're gonna end it. And then we can put our presents in the train to be delivered. There we go. Look, it ain't perfect. Again, nothing ever is. But ta-da! Oreo cookie train. We didn't really, I literally don't know what I just did for the last 40 minutes, but ta-da, ta-da. This looks like it took about 12 minutes, maybe this video will be about 12 minutes, we'll see. Athena wants to hang out in the box. I'm gonna clean up the mess. And we're gonna watch a Christmas movie of some sort. So, actually, let's eat one of these. I wonder what these taste like. They taste like kind of stale Oreos. Like not super stale, but kind of stale. They're good though. And the icings actually taste like the Oreo cream. You wanna watch a movie with Mama? Alright, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish up today's video fairly early so that I can get it out for you guys, and then later on, if I feel like it, I can film some things for later on in the week, because it's gonna be a busy one. So, today being the 12th, we get to finish out these two 12-day calendars. So, let's see what days 10, 11, and 12 have to offer from Lip Smackers. All right. So we got another lip shine. This one has a yellow color on it. Maybe it's like, yeah, it smells lemony. That's nice. And then another one of the stretchy little rings and another acrylic ring. So that finishes out the Lip Smackers calendar. I think that calendar was super cute. Probably not for an adult, but probably for someone between the ages of like 5 and 12 would love that kind of calendar. It's got a lot of cute little girly things in it, plus a lot of lippy stuff. And then we'll finish out the Ulta calendar, 10, 11, and 12. And then tomorrow we'll get to start 2 new calendars for the last 12 days, and we'll probably finish out the crafty one and maybe some wine sparsed in there, but doing those 2 every day is a lot. So, all right. So, day 10 was a lip gloss from Ulta. You see another lip product in here, so just gonna do this one on the back of my hand. Smells like cupcakes. It's just a gloss. You guys can't even see it. Day 11 was some eye patches, which I'll probably do later. Let's do some self-care. And then this, oh, this is an eyeshadow crayon, so I can put this on. Ha ha ha. I thought it was a lip. It feels nice. Again, I wish they put like colors on here so that I could tell you guys exactly what the color is, but all you get is glare on my glasses. It's great. But there is an eyeshadow crayon. Again, no color. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a pinky purple. Although it looks brown here, but on my hand, I guess it's like a rose gold, maybe? It's beautiful, and it, I think you can see it kind of buffs out nicely. I might try that on my eye this week. So that finishes our two 12-day calendars for the first half of Vlogmas. Let me tell you what's coming up this week as far as my schedule goes. I work Monday through Friday. I close on Wednesday and open on Friday. So probably Wednesday will be another one of those short videos just because I don't get off until after 6, and it's very stressful for me because I don't get home till like 7:30. And then Saturday I will be up north, so there probably will not be a video on Saturday, but there will be footage. So depending on how much I record, I may do 2 separate videos for Saturday and Sunday, or just 1 video, because Sunday is Christmas with my mom's side of the family. So there will be some footage from that, hopefully, maybe, if I remember my camera. And I may also be staying at Cody's house over the weekend, so may not be able to upload, but I will try to get some footage of my weekend because it should be a good one. And then the weekend after that is Christmas. Like, what? Christmas is in less than 2 weeks? Someone help me. I just feel like freight train going all the way through. So we're gonna have to wrap gifts and do some of that kind of stuff. I will probably do 2 different gift wrapping ones. We'll see. Because I have some things that I want to go and get, like, I want to go to the dollar store and get a few things to make cute little gift baskets for, like, my boss at work, and, you know, just something nice. And I want to make some cookies or something. So we'll see if I have the time or take the time to do that this week. I have to work Christmas Eve until 2. And New Year's Eve until 3, so I don't have a lot of extra time off before Christmas. And yeah, it's life. It's life as an adult. Like, Christmas is it's not really for us adults. Like, it's for the kids. Although there are many things about Christmas that I love. I love Christmas lights, so hopefully this weekend we'll get to go look at some lights. And I do love decorating, however, I don't feel like I can decorate here how I want to. So maybe by next year I'll be in my own place or something, and I'll feel more comfortable decorating and taking up space in my own house. I know, it sounds weird. It's a personal inside thing. Anyway, enough about me. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.